Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, we're going to check out the FX 9672 RC aircraft by DRC. This is a 4-channel aircraft. Go ahead and turn on the remote. I've got the airplane already turned on. This is capable of 3D flight. It's 2.4 gigahertz. I did say it is 4-channel. Okay. You have A, B, and C there, so you can select between 2 6-axis and then the 3D mode at the end. You still have the gyro. Okay, so you slide the throttle up and then back down, and we should be locked in. A little bit touchy on the startup. Okay, let's go ahead and redo that. Power on, throttle up, back down. What am I not doing right? Let's see. Try the remote first. Starting the plane first. We'll figure this out. The wind might be blowing it around, not letting it be stable. It's pretty windy today. You see those weeds over there? Alright, let's try turning on the remote now. And there we go. Throttle up and then back down. Now we're talking. That's what it was. Just have to let it stabilize. The wind was blowing it around. Okay. I do believe this is a 7.4 volt. It's a 2-cell. Then you have your ailerons or elevons, and it's ducted fans. Pretty cool. These are brushed. Not sure how I'm gonna hand toss this. I'm gonna go into. I'm going to take off in the first speed. Maybe I'm going to go into, yeah, let's start with the first rudder. Setting 2. It's a bit windy, that's all. I was just thinking what would be the best thing to do. Anyway guys, let's get this in there and see what it can do. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone's doing well. Whew. Not sure. There we go. It's windy. Oh man, that was cool. Almost bit the dust. First time ever hand launching it. Oh, this is cool. I'm pushing her. It's windy out there. It's still going, guys. That's cool. Get her back down here. Floating in the wind, surfing in the wind. That's what I like to call it. Wind surfing in the air. Oh no. I stalled it for too long. Well, let's go check out the damages. I'm gonna stop it and then I'll turn it back on when I get out there. Okay, I'm out here. You see, that was an actual crash in the wind because I stalled the plane. And that's what we did. We ejected the battery and the canopy come off. Not too bad. A little dirt on my tail fin there, but that's okay. That can be cleaned up. I'd say that held up rather well, wouldn't you? Man, it's breezy. Way too windy to be flying. Like I said, I like to put them to the test, and I'd never fly if I waited for the wind. Wouldn't have any content. Okay, I think we're back in business. Looks good. Very impressive. Wasn't an extremely hard crash or anything, but they held up rather well. I'm impressed these planes are flying in this kind of wind. I'm gonna try it again. Make sure it's in the second one this time. Okay. A little more of an upward angle when I hand launch it this time too. Alright, here we go. Round 2. Yeah, it was much better. You see it fighting that wind? That's so cool. It's doing a good job. Very neat looking aircraft. Can't wait to try this on a calmer day. Don't stall it again. Alright, I'm going to keep it going. I'm not going to really try any stunts today because of the wind. It's so windy. I don't want to look away from it to look at the remote. We're just going to continue flying it a little bit here, doing some circuits, some figure eights occasionally. Don't do it. Oh, stalled it again. Oh, that's fun. All right, I'll turn it back on when I get out there. Okay, there it is. Pretty much just set it down that time. Got her a little dirty. All's well. Okay, I'm gonna walk back up here and we'll do one more launch. Okay, take 3 because of me. Here we go. And the wind. And the ducted fans, you have better luck if you keep them moving. Alright, I wanted to give it a little more flight and then try to bring her in for landing for the first time in a crosswind. Okay, one more circuit. There we go. I'm going to come in for a landing here on this one. I'm going to try to float it in with this wind. Not exactly what I wanted, but got it pretty close to me. The corn stalk flipped it over. I poked it there. I seen it poke it. Left me a little nice scar. Not a big deal though. Look at that, guys. Very cool airplane. Don't fly in the wind like me. But anyway, made a cool video. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.